While nature offers a great chance to relax the mind and test the spirit, it doesn't matter which extreme activity you prefer. You'll certainly need reliable gear to ensure safety and comfort during your next adventure. And in this video, you'll discover 23 innovative devices and tools you can use to survive in any dangerous situation. But before we start, make sure you've hit the bell button and subscribe to the channel to stay aware of the newest survival gadgets. Are you looking for a unique suite perfect for your extreme adventures? Then you should certainly pay attention to the Everythingproof Suit created by Graphene X. Both pants and a shirt are made from top quality materials, including graphene integrated fabric that ensures impressive durability. And you can easily transform them into shorts. They are designed to have a special knife pocket, an axe hanger pocket, and 7 additional sections to make sure you'll organize all your survival stuff without problems. The side ventilation zippers ensure ideal thermoregulation. And due to the stretchable waist, Velcro adjusters, detachable suspenders, and adjustable hems, the pants will surely please you with a perfect fit. It may also be a good idea to install protection pads inside the hidden knees and hip compartments. Plus, the pants can boast 20K breathability and waterproof ratings. Graphene X pants and a shirt may become your ideal option. Now it's time to think about your tools. You may start with the awesome Phoenix Survival Tool. Its 1-inch length, 1-inch width, and 7-ounce weight allow carrying this multi-tool in your pockets without any discomfort. You'll always be able to start a fire with the help of retractable flint and a serrated blade. The knife may also be used as a bottle opener, a wrench for diameters from 3 to 7 millimeters, and a flathead screwdriver. The multi-tool has a special waterproof section in which you can hide your tinder. Also, thanks to the LED light, you can continue your adventures even when the sun goes up. You may use a clip to attach the tool to your hat, turning it into a useful headlamp. Do you want to protect yourself but you don't have enough time to study martial arts? Don't worry, this amazing slingshot will stand you in good stead when you face a danger. First of all, it attracts attention with its jaw-dropping design and compact size. It has only a 3.1-inch width and a 3.6-inch length. According to the manufacturer, the slingshot is available in 5 other different styles. Its rubber band ensures accurate shooting of projectiles, and you can adjust its length with bare hands without any problems. If you want to get the best results, use this slingshot with 6 to 10 millimeter steel balls. Take into consideration that this tool may be used even by hunters, so it's not a toy and you should be careful while using it. Yeah, probably Pennywise the Dancing Clown would have been terrified if the kids from Derry had got such slingshots. Even newbie survivors know that staying hydrated is extremely important. Carrying heavy bottles of water can be inconvenient, and drinking from unknown sources may lead to illness. Fortunately, the light water produced by Tommy Lee offers a solution to the problems of water supply during survival adventures. The device weighs only 7.7 ounces, and you can easily keep it inside your backpack or even pocket. Unlike other similar products, this system filters water automatically. It'll take up to 10 minutes for this tiny gadget to purify nearly 9 liters of water. The overall runtime of the light water is 120 minutes thanks to its 3000 mAh battery. Its special Flex Filter Pro removes 99.99% of all bacteria, parasites, and dirt, while the UV module eliminates the remaining dangerous particles. The filter cleanses itself automatically, and if its adapter gets clogged, you'll be able to change it without any difficulties. There is also a mini version of this device available. This gadget weighs only 4.8 ounces, but it doesn't purify water with UV. By the way, would you drink some water from your local lake filtered by this awesome purifier system? Please share your thoughts with us in the comments. You should always be able to warm up while camping during cold seasons if you don't want to get frostbite. Luckily, the enthusiasts from Sierra Madre Research came up with an amazing solution that'll give you instant warmth. This hot pocket can preheat your sleeping bag within several minutes. There are 2 ways you can use this gadget. You may pack your sleeping bag inside the hot pocket, compress it, activate the device, and just wait for a couple of minutes to enjoy the warmth. Also, you may just unzip the hot pocket and place it inside your sleeping bag tank to warm up yourself during the cold night. The device is designed with an auto shut-off feature, which allows it to maintain heat for up to 12 hours. It can provide a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Hot Pocket comes with a special power bank, and usually it takes nearly 90 minutes to recharge it. It also provides the possibility to charge your phone up to 10 times using a USB connection. The device is available in 3 different sizes. No doubt poor Leonardo DiCaprio would be happy to have the Hot Pocket instead of a horse in the Revenant movie. You'll need to start a campfire to cook a meal or dry your clothes. Luckily, with this fire wand, you can deal with this task even during the toughest weather conditions. It goes with a special 39-inch rope infused in a light wax that may be used as a tinder, considering that the rope is odor-free and provides nearly 180 minutes of burn time. Just pull the tinder rope through the fire wand, ignite it, pull the flame under the wood, and voila! You've opened the Prometheus achievement. As soon as you start the fire, pull the rope back to extinguish the flame. A special opening on the wand allows you to control the fire with one hand without worrying you'll burn your fingers. And when you use up the rope, you'll be able to replace it with a new one. Also, if you are a true fan of Minecraft or Don't Starve, you can use this fire wand as a torch. It doesn't matter whether you want to build a shelter or start a fire, you'll need a lot of wood. You can break branches with your bare hands, risking getting a splinter, or you may just rely on this heavy-duty folding handsaw produced by Rex Betty. Its 11-inch long steel blade is designed with sharp teeth, providing smooth cutting action. At the same time, the rubbery handle ensures an ideal grip during any weather conditions. The full length of this saw is 22 inches, making it a perfect option for pruning 6 to 7 inches diameter branches. Besides, it can easily deal with plastic or bones. Also, there is a model with an 8-inch long blade. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to add this awesome saw to your survival backpack. Do you often puzzle over the problem of electricity during your survival adventures? Maybe this compact wind turbine created by Tex Energy will solve your issues. It's specifically designed for all fans of hiking and camping. It takes nearly 5 minutes to assemble this wind turbine. As soon as its rotors reach 8 miles per hour, the turbine will start charging your devices. You won't need to wait for a strong wind to deploy this device. Even a gentle breeze is enough to make it generate electricity. Thus, the wind turbine can charge your mobile phone or power bank while you are taking a break from your adventures. Consider that charging time directly depends on your device's battery and wind speed. Tex Energy offers 2 models of its wind turbines. Infinite Air 5T won't take up a lot of space in your camping backpack and may become an ideal option to satisfy your personal needs. And its big brother, Infinite Air 18, is a great choice in case you need an advanced green energy generator. Plus, there is a possibility to connect a solar panel to these wind turbines. Depending on the weather, it may significantly reduce the charging time of your devices. You should certainly add this compact energy power generator to your list of must-have survival items. First of all, the unique design of its telescoping handle provides 2 ways to charge devices. You can simply twirl this generator with one hand, or use both hands to start cranking the handle and generate more energy. Depending on your choice and the power you apply, you'll be able to restart a dead mobile phone in up to 15 minutes. Besides, the device is designed with a replaceable 2200 mAh battery. You'll be also pleased by the snap-in waterproof plasma fire starter and UV water purifier. It'll take nearly 3 minutes of cranking to fully charge each of these modules, as well as a built-in 31 lumens flashlight. Plus, it's possible to use it as a camping lantern. The device includes a strobe light and an 85 decibel siren. In case of emergency, you may turn on both of them simultaneously to disorient your attackers and get the rescuers' attention. However, probably it won't be the best idea to turn on the siren in case you don't want to be eaten by your neighbors. Whether you want to conquer Everest or just walk to the store without falling on the ice, you'll need reliable climbing crampons. And you shouldn't miss out a chance to check out these amazing ones. Made from top quality manganese steel steel and silica, these crampons may become a perfect fit for your hiking shoes or mountain boots. They are designed with 18 big and 6 tinier steel spikes to prevent you from slipping. At the same time, their smart placement guarantees ideal weight balance and comfort. They also have elastic harnesses and fastener tape that ensure perfect hold and high security. The crampons go together with a special carry bag you can use to keep them until your next winter adventures. This bushcraft gadget was created by an outdoor enthusiast who knew exactly what his fellow bushcrafters needed. The drill, made of hardened steel and weighing just 11.3 ounces, replaces several knives. It makes neat holes in wooden beams and cuts pegs with a diameter of 1 inch that fit perfectly into these holes. With the wood drill peg, you can build a shelter, assemble simple furniture, make wooden tools, and so much more. A hole in the handle allows you to insert a stick, which makes it easier to rotate. Thousands of bushcrafters have rated the tool 10 out of 10 for its simplicity and reliability. What do you think? Lara Croft would approve of this tactical hair tie. It looks like a simple soft hair tie that goes with any outfit, but it's actually made of a material that's 5 times stronger than steel and is used on the shields of NASA's space shuttles. The tie is flame resistant. It has a hidden pocket where you can store essentials like pills, cash, a spare key, or a flash drive with some top secret information. If you've seen one of these things on your girlfriend, maybe there's something you don't know about her. Come in, I can't hear you. Sound familiar? Then meet Toni AR, the Vox wearable mini walkie-talkie. This device is small and multifunctional like a Swiss Army knife of walkie-talkies. Don't let its tiny size and 2-ounce weight fool you. This thing is a beast. Toni AR runs for up to 24 hours on a single charge. You won't have to worry about losing signal in the woods if you get lost. The walkie-talkie has a range of up to 800 meters using Bluetooth 5.3. Toni AR's standout features are its resistance to external noise and water resistance. You'll be heard even through a howling wind and rain. Toni AR easily attaches to a helmet, your arm, or the straps of your backpack. I think the kids from Stranger Things would definitely appreciate this walkie-talkie. Introducing the ultimate companion for any outdoor adventure. This tactical survival walking stick is made of durable materials and features 15 different tools, including a compass, knives, whistle, fire starter, screwdriver, and bottle opener. The stick is also adjustable, so you can customize it to fit your needs. It's perfect for anything from hiking in the woods to camping in the wilderness. With this stick, you'll be prepared for anything that comes your way. You'll be able to build a shelter, start a fire, or even defend yourself if you need to. Alaskan rescue teams receive dozens of calls for help every year from unprepared adventurers who have gotten themselves into trouble. This problem inspired the creation of the Emergency Shelter, a versatile shelter that can save lives. The Emergency Shelter is waterproof and insulated, so it will protect you from the elements and help you stay warm even if you are injured or stranded. It is also easy to set up, even if you are exhausted or injured. The shelter has a built-in emergency beacon that can be used to signal for help. The beacon is visible at night, and the shelter's bright color will help you be seen during the day. The shelter weighs 8.5 kilograms, but it is worth its weight in gold for the peace of mind it provides. If you're a true Robinson Crusoe who prefers to cook fresh fish instead of eating canned food, check out this gadget for hunting and fishing. The mechanical slingshot is quick to assemble and launch. Its accuracy depends on your skills, but it's not difficult to hit a target from a distance of 10 to 30 feet. An infrared laser also helps you hit the mark, which is especially necessary for night fishing. The weight of the slingshot is 4.3 pounds. It is evenly distributed, and even a beautiful Amazonian woman can handle the device. What do you choose? Take ready-made provisions or get food yourself? Frozen hands are completely unmanageable, and imagine if you need to dial 911 or bandage a wound. Then the Heat Experience heated gloves will come to the rescue. The gloves are made of waterproof textile fabric and thick leather for better grip on icy surfaces. The gloves come with 2 batteries and 3 heat settings. They operate for 2 to 5 hours in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't even need to take them off when using your phone. The index finger on each glove is compatible portable with a touchscreen. By the way, about fingers, don't forget to give this video a cool thumbs up, and let's move on. Experienced travelers say that you should always have several fire-making devices with you, and one of them should be the old-fashioned brass tube. It is designed to produce fire in strong winds, where ordinary matches or a lighter cannot cope. Simply press a small piece of char cloth inside the tube and insert it into the piston. The rapid compression of air within the cylinder as the user closes the piston leads to a corresponding rapid rise in temperature. Such a set costs around $20 to $30 and serves for almost eternity, requiring no special care. Share what fire-making tools you take with you. If you're a professional hunter who loves to hunt big game, then you need to check out the OMX AOS Saber Elite X2. This pneumatic rifle is designed for shooting arrows so you can feel like a real Indian hunter. The double barrel design gives you twice the chance of hitting your target, and accessing the second shot is as simple as pressing a push-through barrel selector. Here are the specifications. Weight 10 pounds, dimensions 44.36 x 12 x 3.25 inches, includes 3 carbon fiber arrows with 100 grain field tips, and shoots 25 arrows per approach from the barrels at speeds of up to 450 FPS. Are you ready to rock and roll? Gaffs were originally developed for electricians and other workers, but they can also be a lifesaver in the wilderness. They can be used to climb trees to get a better view or to quickly escape from a wild animal. Gaffs attach to your shins and feet with wide straps or buckles, and the spikes easily penetrate trees. They don't get in the way of walking, and they don't require any special safety gear. One important thing to remember is that gaffs should already be on you when you encounter a predator. Otherwise, the animal is unlikely to wait for you to put them on. Saber bear spray is another essential survival tool. It should always be kept close at hand. The spray has a range of 30 to 35 feet, and it should be used if a bear is already very close. To use Saber bear spray, follow these steps. Insert your index finger into the hole in the handle and pull the safety back with your thumb. To avoid spraying yourself, aim the canister at a 45 to 60 degree angle. Release the trigger and spray for at least 3 seconds or until the bear runs away. Saber bear spray is made with a combination of capsaicin and oleoresin capsicum, which are the active ingredients in chili peppers. It is an extremely effective deterrent against bears, and it can also be used to defend yourself against other predators. If you have had such an experience, share it in the comments. And how are you going to navigate the terrain? Considering the impossibility of using your mobile phone wherever you want during your extreme adventures, it'll be a good idea to buy this military compass produced by AOS AR. This tiny item made from durable metal is literally unbreakable. The compass is waterproof and designed with the usual 360-degree scale, fold metal lid, adjustable prison lens, and clinometer, which you can use to measure angles of slopes. The compass has a built-in optical eyepiece that ensures easy reading of the 360-degree scale. Also, its fluorescent light and luminous magnet arrow will help you find the necessary direction, even in complete darkness. The bottom of the compass is designed with a table for topographical calculations and a tripod mount hole. By the way, did you know how to use a compass to find out the desired direction? If you're looking for a fun and affordable way to spend time in the outdoors, then an Anatomical Slingshot is a great option. It's perfect for fishing, target shooting, or just plain old fun. Anatomical Slingshots are designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making them easy to use and control. They're also typically very lightweight and portable, so you can easily take them with you on your next outdoor adventure. This particular slingshot features a triple rubber band that provides plenty of power for accurate shots. A removable wristband helps to stabilize your hand and reduce fatigue. You can choose from a variety of ammunition, including mini harpoons or steel balls. I would recommend this slingshot to anyone looking for a fun and affordable way to get outdoors. It's a great way to practice your aim, improve your hand-eye coordination, and have some fun. That's all for today. Which of these mentioned gadgets would you like to take on a deserted island? Don't forget to share your thoughts with us in the comments and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss new videos about other useful survival devices and tools.